Hey guys, let's talk about the Tapo C510W SD card setup. So basically you just need to insert the SD card here. Just move the lens up and here you're gonna find the slot for the SD card, okay? For some cameras you need to remove some screws. For this one is not the case. You just need to open here and insert the SD card into this slot. So it's pretty simple. Here I have an SD card from Gigastone. You can get different cards. I will leave the link here in the description. Okay, SanDisk works pretty well. This one works pretty well. I will leave the link here, right? So grab your card, insert here. Let me just put it here so you see how it works. That way. And you just push it until you hear a click and you're good to go. You can just close it and move this down again, okay? The camera is off right now. You see it's not connected to the power. And then after this, you just connect to power and you're gonna use your cell phone for the setup. You need to format the card. So just connect to the power supply, just like so, and wait for the camera to boot up. You're gonna see the camera booting up and doing the tests. It's gonna turn like horizontally and vertically with the pan movement and the tilt movement. And after this, you can just take a look here on your cell phone and format the SD card. Okay, the camera is working there. Meanwhile, let me just grab my cell phone here. And I'm gonna use the Tapo app. That's the one. Then you get into your camera. Here I have the Tapo C510W. See that's working back there. And then I just come here. I got an error here. And then I just need to come to the storage and recording. And here I have local storage and format microSD card. Just tap on it, format it, and just wait for it to finish. Depending on their card size, it's gonna take longer. This one was pretty fast. And here I see the capacity and I'm good to go. But don't forget that you need to come here also to your recording schedule and just check if the camera is recording by motion detection. For example, you see here every single day, every single hour by motion detection. You can also change if you want to. Here, let's say, for example, you want a continuous recording. You can just paint just like so. And it's going to record continuously, right? And if you do this, it's not going to record anything at this time. So just do whatever you want here and save, come back. And something important as well is just check if the detection is working. So enable motion detection for different zones. Usually I just use one zone, in the entire area here, and I enable motion detection, person detection, and camera tampering if I want to. Somebody blocks the camera, it's going to detect tampering, right? So everything is enabled here and I'm good to go. And also here something that I like is just have notification working. So the camera is going to send notification every time there's motion detection, okay? So pretty simple. That's the way you can have your Tapo C510W with the SD card working. I hope this helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.